Okay, these are my eggs that I'm incubating. I'm going to try to let you see inside them. This one is damaged, but it still has something living inside it, so we'll see. I'm not going to toss it out. They have to be moved frequently. I don't know if you can see the baby in there or not. It's really rather difficult, isn't it? Let's try this one. A little bit bigger egg. You can see it's pink. I don't know if you can see the movement or not. But there's somebody moving around in there, inside there. I can see him. I hope it shows up in the film. But he's moving, little baby. Let's see here. Let's try one of these. This is a finch egg, much smaller. And it's alive. You can see the pink color. It's harder to see it because it's small. But it's moving in there too. It says, "Who's got me?" Let me see here. Can't really tell on that one. Okay. Let's try this one. A little bit bigger. It doesn't look like it's quite as far along. There we go. Oops, sorry about that light. There, I think you can see him in there. He's definitely moving. Looks to me like his head is facing my hand and it's kind of rolling around in there. This is a rosy Bork parakeet, and I've posted before on the Splendid Bork Bird blog exactly why I'm incubating these eggs. Fuchsia refused to quit laying and she'd already had too many. But look at him move in there. And I have incubated Lady Gouldian eggs before. This will be the first time I've done it with the Bork eggs. But notice how much he's moving around. I hope it shows up well when we develop this. But it's kind of fun watching them grow, and I'm going to probably be hand feeding. Well, this is December. I'll probably still be hand feeding these guys until the end of February. And then hopefully they'll be weaned and very tame and very beautiful. So thank you. I hope you enjoyed seeing these little guys. I need to put them back in the incubator now. So bye-bye.